I know how busy you are, and I know one of your biggest challenges is how am I supposed to create the content that Nancy and others keep telling me to create that I know is a good idea because it helps establish my expertise. I know you can't use that word, but I know it helps me establish my expertise and thought leadership among those people I want to do business with or get to know better. How am I supposed to find time to do that? Well, welcome back to Legal Marketing Moments. I'm your host, Nancy Myrland with Myrland Marketing and Social Media. All right, I have a really quick idea for you today, and this is how you can repurpose existing content. And my goal is always to help make the complex simple and also to make your time on LinkedIn much more efficient. So here's what I recommend. Find one of your slide decks, preferably something that's fairly recent, but make sure it's a recent and it's a current and a relevant topic. And I want you to go into that slide deck and find one of the most important slides. So it will probably talk about something that is like one of the highlights of that presentation. And take that one slide, and here's what I want you to do with it. You have choices. And so you can choose the one or the two or the three or the four that fit you the most. If they all fit, please spread them out. Don't do them all at once. And maybe once every week or 2 weeks. But here's what you can do. You can post a carousel. What is it? Carousel post on other platforms, but it's really just a document on LinkedIn. And you can break up that slide into, let's say, 4 new slides. So I know sometimes you put bullet points on a slide. It just depends on how you put your slides together. I want you to then separate those into 4 or 5 different slides. Same points, just split them up. Put a nice master slide on the front, a good contact slide on the end, and post that. And if you need to know how to do that, let me know. And then I want you to introduce that in the comments. All right, number 2, take that post, that slide, and make a quick 1 to 3 minute video. You can look into your phone, if you can look into your camera. Make sure if you're doing this is at your camera's eye level or just 1 inch above. Again, we can talk about all those skills at another time. The third is to do a text-only post. So take what would be the presenter notes for that slide and just put that as a text-only post. Make sure you put appropriate hashtags too. And then the fourth, save that one slide as a JPEG. So it's just a photo in essence of a slide, and then post it as a photo, and then put, again, what you would have put in your text-only slide. I want you to just put that as your comment and introduce that to people. All right, let me know if you have any questions. I'm at nancy@myrlandmarketing.com. Take care.